interestingly, I have found myself up on this wall, and the next thing you see might be me being airlifted out from a broken ankle. I don't really know how to get back down. Welcome again to No Obstacle. Today we're still in the Yorkshire Dales as from last time yesterday when we did caving, but today we're doing a walking with Jen. So we're doing quite a chilled one. We're in Settle at the moment near kind of like this river that I've definitely researched the name of. We're walking across the Scaleber Force waterfall. So it's quite a short walk, about an hour, so nice and accessible. But we're going to take you along with us. Come along with us, walking with Jen. I bet there was like a plant pot competition or something.
Yeah.
It's one for you, Mum. Little sheepy plant pots.
Don't be sheepish. Come have a look. And then what else have we? Now we've got to like find the other ones. We've seen a giraffe.
We do. We have seen a giraffe, but there's loads of like plant pot art going on in the village of Settle. There's one there. That is pretty horrifying, yeah. Actually. Church Viaduct. Woo! We've stopped off for a brief detour in Folly in Settle. Where they have like a little exhibit. Staircase. All these pictures of cavers all the way down, very cool. Like these are really cool, like canvas prints. They do tours here. We're way too impatient for that, so we just came up for a look. This is such a weird exhibit. Oh, great. Over the years, this folly has been used as a bakery, a warehouse, lodging house, furniture shop, refreshment rooms, I guess cafe, fish and chip shop, bank, Sunday school, doctor's surgery, and salvage business, whatever that means. Cool. Alright, so nothing compared to previous walks, but yeah, mile and a quarter to go. We'll get to Scaleber Force waterfall. We will be heading off of the roadway in a second and onto path, I believe. I mean, eventually. Times in this joint. So the initial walk from Settle up to Scaleber Force is basically a whole fucking bunch of up. So I know I've got it accessible before, but be fucking ready, you're going up a lot. Ow. Yeah. Little dinosaur scourer of the landscape there, and steep AF. So interestingly, I have found myself up on this wall, and the next thing you see might be me being airlifted out from a broken ankle. I don't really know how to get back down. Yeah, good times. I might get the footage of Jenny coming back down.
That's good. It is actually okay, Greedy. I know it's rock here. allegedly. Did you kick that guy back in just in case? Yeah. Nice.
Well, that was how not to climb down the wall with any
Literally.
degree of grace. So enjoy that. Like, yeah, good times. It's look, it's rockier than it looks. Okay. Did you get scratched? Oh,
I got stung.
is that how we fix that? Bad leg,
Bitch,
bad.
slap it out.
So if you can hear, we can hear the waterfall, but I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. Ollie's just tending to her stings, and I just want you to check out this fucking amazing and slightly stormy scenery. So yeah, we like it. We like it. At this point in the journey, we cross into off of the road finally. As you can hear the waterfall, I really hope you can hear it. There's some signage. Little gator maru. Not sure why.
Oh my god! Why is that so adorable? Oh, really? That is too much.
And we're on the path down to see the waterfall. Sorry, sheepies. Look, rushing water down there. Is that it?
I beg you not to fall.
Yes, little stone steps down. Gotta love a set of slippery waterfall steps.
Damn right.
Loving it, loving it. Are we gonna do the bum? I feel like we are. Sliding down on a bum. We're gonna fall down on a bum.
And I get that you want some.
As everybody knows, as Ollie especially knows, my downhill is ball sack.
Ass meets ground. Yeah, these are slippery. Oh god.
What's happening? He's trying to get hold of my stick and I'm like, I can't get it. I can't get it. Alright, here we are getting closer to the waterfall. It's just, you know guys, I know, like, it's just so slippery, you have no idea, it really is absolutely soaked, saturated, slippery, mossy, yeah. But, we're getting there. Get into the fall of water. Scaleber Force. Scaleber Foss. Look at this shit. Yes. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. Anywhere else? Cool. Right up fucking close. Amazing. we are just leaving Scaleber Force waterfall, and I think we're heading down for a cafe in Cecil. The vibe. Yeah, it's quite a simple walk, just sort of basically up the hill for a bunch of time and then into the woodland. You see the falls here. Add some photos, maybe here, maybe on Instagram, maybe on my community tab. You can see how it looks. And yeah, definitely worth a little visit, a little chill day. Yeah, gonna go to a cafe now. So yeah, that's how all good trips should end. Cafe. So here we are walking back the way. We spent like a good 10-15 minutes just chilling out of the waterfall, having Eccles cakes, having some flask tea, which I hope I put back in my bag. Can you check?
Did you not hear it?
Now I'm worried that I haven't put my flask back in, but apparently it's fine. So yeah, thanks again guys for coming along on our walking with Jen and Ollie. We're not going to take you all the way back along the back. We're not going to take you all the way back along the paved road because that might be kind of boring. So we're going to be heading on into Settle to enjoy our lunch or whatever. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.